Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Lady Doris. Okay, this gele I made it for one of my customers, and I want to show you how exactly I tie this gele. So this is me forming my pleats. After forming my pleats, there's a way I'm going to, this is not that kind of regular pleats. It's a pleats that I will use to make this gele. Okay, so it's not going to be on the front. I'm going to turn it and make it in a lighter way like this, then turn it to the back and start my main work. Don't mind that sound you heard just now. It's a thunderstorm. It's raining heavily here. So okay, I'm going to turn it this way. Just look at the way I turn it, pressing it down, then I'll use my pin to secure it. So the style is beginner friendly. You can make it on your hair, you can freestyle it on your hair. Then you can also use dummy, as I'm using, just the way I'm using it now on the dummy. So you can make it on your own. It's beginner friendly, all right? So it's not a hard something to do. Just watch this video critically and you are going to recreate it either on your head or on a dummy like this. Okay, because I didn't mention it to you before, I want to make two different styles. I want to show you two different styles, okay, and how to achieve them. But this is the first style that I'm going to be showing you. If you have come to the part of this video, please find this video worthy to click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and also like, comment, share it with your family and friends. And I want to specially thank you that I've always come back to watch my video. You have been on this channel watching my video, sharing it, commenting and liking. You are my lover, all right? So I love you and I want to appreciate you for your kind gesture. Thank you. You can see that this first style that I just made now is not hard. You know, as I'm making it, I'm also trying to tell you other stories to keep you glued to your screen. Right here on your screen, you can see that we are done with the first style and we are switching over to the second style. Okay, it's a new style that I just formed. I just closed my eyes and bam, the picture just came to my head and I started making it for this my customer, because she told me that I can make anything for her. No style. She did not choose style. She said, just give me something unique and nice. That was how this style came about. All right, so forming the pleats is not hard. It's not a hard one. Just from the top, bring it down and there you pin it, arrange it, and it's done. Bring the second hand and also do the same thing, but this time you are placing it on the spot that you stopped from the first pleats, and that is all for the style. Okay, another thing you are going to do is that you are not going to only use your tiny needle, which is the office pin, to control or maybe to hold your work. I'm also going to show you how I used needle and thread of the same color with this ashoke to hold your work. It's very simple. I don't think that everything is just the tiny needle, which is the office pin alone. You can also look for a method or maybe a way to hold your work steady, to hold it firm, and to hold it so that it will not scatter on the head of your client. All right, so I used needle and thread for this work, and just now as you are viewing it, you are going to see how I use it. Thank you for coming this far. I want to ask you, have you subscribed? Have you liked, comment? Have you shared the video? Please do one. The office pin I was talking about is this. All right, that's the regular pin that gele makers use to hold their work. But because this person told me that she wants the whatever I'm making for her to be firm and steady, that I can even use thread and make it just like, you know, a kind of make it to become an gele. I used this method to secure it so that it will be firm on her, and she can as well use it multiple times before it's scatter. All right, voila, the work is ready. It's ready. Thank you for watching. I want to appreciate you for coming this far. Thank you. Always come back to my videos. Come back to my videos each time you want to create something unique for yourself. My videos will be always uploaded on my YouTube channel and other social media handles. Do well to follow me, and always remember to share to your friends. Bye.